I bet you didn't know selling your car could be this easy. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, give your car a spa day. A clean car is a sold car, so wash, wax, and make it sparkle. Next, don't forget the inside. Vacuum, wipe down surfaces and make it smell fresh like a new car fresh. Address minor repairs, fix small scratches and touch up the paint. Check the tires. Ensure they are properly inflated and have good tread. Now let's talk paperwork. Gather up your maintenance records. Buyers love a well-documented car history, proof that you've been a responsible car parent. Then, the photo shoot. Take clear, well-lit photos from all angles. Show off that shiny exterior and spotless interior. Next, write a compelling ad. Be honest, but highlight the positives. Well-maintained, low mileage, and a joy to drive. Finally, price it right. Check out similar cars online to get a sense of the market. Use online valuation tools to get an accurate estimate. And remember, always leave a little wiggle room for negotiations. Follow these steps and you'll be waving goodbye to your car and hello to a great deal in no time. Happy selling. And don't forget to celebrate your successful sale. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the extra cash in your pocket.